Hey everybody, I'm Andy the Kenworth Guy. Thanks so much for coming by the channel today. Well, today it's a little chilly outside. My mustache is coming in for Movember. If you haven't donated to the cause, please do that. You can just click on the link that's in my bio or up on the screen here. And it's for men's health, for men's mental health, men's prostate cancer, and just helping those things. So it's just the month of November here. We're focusing on that, and I'm involved in that, so that's kind of neat. But anyhow, we're not here to talk about that today, so thanks for listening. We're here to look at this 2025 T880 sleeper truck with a big vac tank on the back, sold to my great friends over at Recycle West. So let's see what we're looking at today. All right, man, it is getting dark earlier and earlier in the days here. Winter is on the way. Big snowstorm rolled through the area here yesterday, about 100 kilometers west of us, and we didn't get any snow. I was kind of disappointed, but anyways, it is what it is. Makes for a great day for a video shoot, that's for sure. So this is a 2025 T880. It's got a big vac tank on the back there. Recycle West, the Canadian-based company, they collect recycled oil and they sell it, and they buy it, refine it, and they do all sorts of great things. They're great people, hard workers. They're great friends of mine too. I've known the crew there for many, many, many years. So thank you so much for the business and for your loyalty over the years. So this truck here, it's set up front here. Oh, it's starting to rain now. Looking up front here, we got that aluminum metal mesh grille with the bug screen in behind. Winter front clips built in here with the winter front in the cab. Stainless chrome bumper out front with the center mount toe pin, and then the standard headlights. We put a little bit of bling on it here. Had our shop put on this nice visor, the bug deflector. So that is the one from, I believe Dieter's makes that one. Up above, I had my friends at House of Chrome get this visor on this truck. And this is our 42-inch flat top sleeper. So this is just kind of our little baby cab, coffin cab, some people would call it. So just enough to have a little bed to crash if you need to. So looking up front, we have the 20,000 pound front axle with 4 1/4 tires, 11R22.5. And those are the Michelins. Make sure when I am ordering these trucks, I like to close out the front corner here, especially with the big tires, just to kind of keep things nice and tidy, looking good. And then we have the rubber fender lips going up and over. Put the polished package here on the fuel tank, so you got the polished steps with the polished straps, I should say, 7-inch straps with the polished tank. And then the def tank as well has the polished cover on it. Now, ideally the def tank would be underneath the bunk here, but as you can see with the bunk mounts, those get right in the way of the def tank. So all these controls, I was not involved in the body, just kind of making sure that the truck would accept the body without any issue. And obviously this is a tri-drive truck, so it's got the Hendrickson Primax suspension, 69,000 pound rating, so it's 3 23,000 pound axles on here, and we got the Michelin X Works tires on it. Full locking diffs on here, so this is a front, center, and rear locking diff. And look at that bumper on the back. That just sticks way the heck. Wild bananas. This side we have a second fuel tank. So this is a large 150 on this side with the polish straps and the polish tank. And then there is the battery box. So again, putting everything underneath here, it's a little tight with the 42-inch modular or bunk here. It makes it a little bit tighter to fit that there. So this was the first time I've seen this. These great cutouts here, just I guess to allow a little bit more airflow to help cool down the DPF SCR catalyst. Just gets really hot in there, so that's an ongoing change that just factory didn't really have any choice in that. It just kind of came out that way. We did order this truck with dual exhaust, and those are the 7-inch pipes, and those are 24-inch tall. Optional vent, that is optional to have it chrome, or you can get that painted. We like to put a little bit of chrome on it. We did the chrome mirrors, as you can see, and then up top we have the air horns, LED lights, and then the discos or strobes up top. So just a really cool looking machine. All right, so under the hood here, we have the PACCAR 510 1850 torque rated engine. So this is the MX-13, and we have the battery boost terminals right there. There is your power steering gear oil with the filter. As far as the truck here, we have disc brakes on the front. I don't recall what I put on the back. I can't really tell because it's all tucked underneath there, but I'll try and look up the spec and tell you guys if it's disc or drum on the back. We have engine oil fill in the green there, the check in the green. The red is the filler, and then there's a transmission check right there. You got your washer fluid and coolant up top. Go around this side here. Here's your hot side, there's your turbo, there's your accessories, your filters here, your centrifugal filter right there. Up here is your HVAC system, so that's where you can change your filter out right here. So you've got your primary and secondary filters. And then this here just can be flicked out to clean any gunk and so forth. Now up top you can see there's additional filters there and here. So those are pre-filters. You'll notice inside those pre-filters there's little fans in there, and that is to help drop dust out of the airflow before it enters the engine. So there you go. So we will close up the hood and show you the inside of this beast. Alrighty. So inside this cab we have the diamond VIT interior, which gives you that beautiful Madrona stitching on the doors. So that kind of matches with the exterior orange on this truck. You get this nice wood grain dash. I'm just going to turn on the bunk light inside here, and then the interior cab lights just to brighten it up a little bit more. We have your door locks, your window lift controls, your mirror controls, mirror heat. There is your cruise control on the steering wheel, which is nice leather wrapped. Here's your radio controls. The center controls here are for the display in the middle there. Down below here we have your work lights, your beacons, discos. There is your brightness adjuster for the dash, your interior lights, and that is your exterior pre-trip switch. So that does your pre-trip testing all the lights outside the truck and so on. Now with the diamond VIT interior and the leather wrap, you get this nice orange stitching on the steering wheel. Down here we have the trailer brakes. There's the truck going through the pre-trip test right now. So it takes a little while for it to kind of get up and going, but it's doing a pre-trip test, and then now it's doing all the lights, high beam, low beam, etc. So we'll just hit that switch again just to shut it off. So going back down here, we have your engine fan. This is a beacon on the body, a spotlight on the body, a spare dud that's not doing anything, regen switch, air suspension dump. There's your power divider, front, center, and rear diff lock, and then your PTO engagement switch right there. This truck is equipped with an Allison automatic, and so that is 4000 series Allison in here. Here's the Nav Plus HD, and this has got the CD player with the screen up above, and then there is your exterior lights along with the bunk light. As far as the seats go, we have these very nice heated GT703 seats, sorry, GT702 seats in here. So we got the dual lumbar support, the height adjustment, shock adjustment. There's your quick dump, and then it's got these nice vents in here. This is heated, and then we have that nice ultra leather material. As far as in the bunk goes, we have this lower liftable bunk mattress here. I'll just kind of scoot around and carefully step over here as to not get it all dirty. So on this side here, we have this little work light with a storage pocket. You have a little hanger here to hang your jacket so it can dry off. And then you got a little pocket up here to have an overnight bag or a couple snacks up there if you like. Same thing on this side. Over here, we have a USB charger and 12 volt. This here has an option to put a HVAC system in the back, as far as adding a second HVAC system, second blower, etc. And then your controls would be back here. So that's an option to have on this model, but it's not really necessary on this application. As far as the lower mattress goes, I'll lift it up here. It is a liftable lower mattress. So you can see here, you have that little latch right there to unlock. Storage pocket on one side, another one on the other side, and then you have these jockey storage bins on both sides here with, there's the winter front, a second placard that was from the bodybuilder, and then first aid and flare kit right in there. So the fire extinguisher is right there from the factory. So there you go. There is a very quick tour on this sweet rig. All right, so that's it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. It's always a pleasure to bring these videos to you guys. I love reading your comments. I can't respond to everybody just with everything that I have going on. Hey, if you are interested in getting a hold of me for a truck build, if you want to spec and order your new Kenworth truck, please click up here to go to thekenworthguy.com. That will give you all the information where to get a hold of me. I have a truck builder on there as well. If you are also interested in subscribing to this channel, hey, please do that. Give it a thumbs up. Just click the link down below, and you can get in touch with me that way as well. So that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. And hey, everybody at Recycle West, thank you for your business. Norm, Jeremy, Ron, everybody, Jason, Kevin, thank you all for your business, for your support. And it's always fun dealing with you guys. So talk to you guys soon. And that's it for now. Have yourself, I'm out of words. Have a great day. Have the world's best day. Have the world's bestest day.